Hi everyone. Today I'm excited to share another foldable bike from ADO, the Air 20 Pro. This model stands out with features that you don't typically find on 20-inch foldable e-bikes. Let's dive into what makes this bike special. The Air 20 Pro features a dual-speed rear hub motor from Bafang. This provides added flexibility and better performance across different terrains. One of the highlights is its carbon belt drive. Unlike traditional chain drives, the belt drive requires no oiling, minimal maintenance, and eliminates the hassle of gear alignment. The bike is equipped with a 9.6 ampere-hours Samsung battery, which offers a claimed range of up to 100 kilometers. I'll be testing this claim thoroughly. With its 250 watts motor, the bike can reach a top speed of 25 kilometers per hour, making it legal to ride in Europe without a throttle. The ADO Air 20 Pro includes front suspension and 160mm hydraulic disc brakes for a smoother and safer ride. The 20-inch tires from Chaoyang are typically inflated to around 40 psi, but they can be adjusted for a firmer ride if needed. Metal mudguards are included, though they are susceptible to scratches and chips. The bike includes a rear taillight with left and right indicators. While visibility during the day is limited, the lights are effective at night, enhancing safety. The ADO Air 20 Pro feels solid, much like a standard bike rather than a foldable one. The frame shows no flex, which is reassuring. The bike's foldable handlebars and seat post allow it to fit easily into a car trunk or small storage space. The bike rides smoothly, thanks to the front suspension and well-designed frame. The dual-speed hub motor provides sufficient power for city commuting and light off-road use. The carbon belt drive ensures a quiet and maintenance-free ride. The carbon belt drive is a game-changer for those who want a low-maintenance bike. Unlike traditional chain drives, there's no need to oil or worry about derailleurs. This Tarlingo brand belt drive is typically good for 25,000 to 30,000 kilometers, ensuring a long lifespan. The bike comes with a 9.6 ampere-hours Samsung battery, promising a range of up to 100 kilometers under optimal conditions. In my testing, I found that a more realistic range is around 60 to 70 kilometers, which is still impressive for a 20-inch e-bike. The battery is integrated into the seat post and is lockable, adding to the bike's security. The inclusion of a front suspension with adjustable preload and a lockout feature is a nice touch. It smooths out rough terrains, adding to the comfort of your ride. Despite a few minor drawbacks, the ADO Air 20 Pro is one of the best foldable 20-inch e-bikes on the market. Its advanced features like the dual-speed hub motor, carbon belt drive, and robust build quality make it a worthwhile investment for city commutes. Thank you for watching my video of the Air 20 Pro. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Have a nice day, and God bless you.